Welcome to Automotive Control in Bristol. We've got a lovely Transporter T6.1 campervan in with us, having its original VW radio replaced and the lovely Alpine 9-inch halo, the f905d, installed into the upper DIN slot of the double DIN fascia. So on this pocket here we've added the Alpine wireless CarPlay charging bay, so your phone sits on there, charges away, and you can make use of the wireless Apple CarPlay. So this is Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls still work. We've also added a rear parking camera, optic displays still work the same after you come out of reverse, and we've still got SOS working properly. To enter the vehicle settings, 5 presses of this steering wheel button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That puts us into the settings for the actual vehicle itself, so we can still change all the car settings, etc. A long press of this button there takes us back out to the normal CarPlay or the Alpine home menu. Yeah, really nice installation. We've also added the Alpine dash camera, which is also viewable through the Alpine screen. We've also upgraded the front door speakers to Hertz front components, so that's mid-range in the doors and then tweeters and crossovers up in the pillars. That's all running through the Alpine head unit amplifier, and that's all sort of done within the same day at a workshop in Avonmouth. Thanks very much for watching.